I was a petty officer second class in the U.S. Navy Seabees. I was voluntold to go to Iraq, which is fine. You know, I signed up for it, so I knew what was expected. Then I was voluntold to go to Afghanistan in 08 and 09, but I volunteered the last 2 tours. So I've done 3 tours in Afghanistan. All my time runs together. It's like, that's 3 years of my life over there. Even to this day, my kids kid me, well, Dad, you went home for Christmas, or you went home? Anyway, we was going on a convoy. Ordinary night, and the IED went off. The IED went off behind the truck that I was behind, and before I got to it. My truck went into the crater, and that's when my seat, this air right seat, went down. It pushed me straight up into the top of the truck. That's when I messed my neck up. When I come back home, went back to the VA, and they said, yeah, your neck is really messed up. And it took them another 2 years to do surgery on my neck. The neurosurgeon went back and put another, I guess, a synthetic disc in my neck, and went on and done the neck fusion. Not much longer after that, 2017, they gave me a medical retirement from the Navy. And then I was on the limb truck at work. I had my head ducked down, like normal. As the guy was driving, there's a limb that was hanging down real low. It hit the back of my hard hat, and then it knocked me out. My arms were numb again, and that's what really scared me. I'm reliving the same nightmare as I did when I was over in Afghanistan. Went to the hospital, found out I had a brain bleed. And then my 5/6 pushed my C7 into my spinal cord, which caused the numbness in my arms. I had a surgery the following month, and I've been out of work ever since. I contacted Deuterman Law a few months after my injury because I didn't have anybody to turn to. I couldn't do it by myself. I couldn't. I was at my wit's end. My PTSD would get the best of me. So I decided let Deuterman Law see what they can do, see if they can handle it. Especially how to go through the red tape with the municipality. And Deuterman Law went through and handled everything for me. I had to do anything. The only thing I'd done was went to the doctor, went back to my neurosurgeon, and then they got all the doctor's notes and took it from there. So my workman's comp was finished. I actually asked Deuterman Law if they help with the VA. And I'm like, well, I can't do it by myself because I don't know the correct paperwork to file as far as, you submit it yourself on the internet. But there's certain words and certain phrases you had to put and everything, and had to get certain words and phrases from the physician to be uploaded into to the VA for them to actually say, okay, yes, we'll grant you whatever percentage. But I know the terminology, the military terminology, but I don't know the terminology as far as the VA. And I'm glad that the attorney that helped me with the VA knows the terminology and can help me. And they did a great job. It didn't take them long. And normally it takes a year or so for it to go through the VA system. And theirs went through real quick. I'm not too sure of the months, but it was really quick. They helped me, they can help anybody, So I'm impressed. They're professional, They get the job done, and when they say we're going to keep you informed, they actually keep you informed. Every phone call, every little update they call and let me know, hey, this is what's happening. We got an email or we got a letter stating this or that. They've been on the ball. I don't think anybody else could even touch Deuterman Law. I really don't. That's how good they are. My name is David Owens. Deuterman Law is a godsend. They've helped me with my workman's comp claim and also with my VA, which they helped me get 100% disability for my injuries while in the military. They've helped me out tremendously. I can't thank them enough.